Hello. Okay, we are back with another cook Dutch apple pie. It's gonna look like that. We're making the pie crust. Essentially, it's just gonna be a butter crust. So butter, flour, and water, and a little bit of salt. So I'm gonna do it in the food processor because that's an option. So it says to coat the butter chunks in flour before you do it. Not that it really matters, to be honest. It says pulse briefly. I need to plug it in until the butter is in pea-sized chunks. Oh, that looks good. Now we're gonna add water to the mixture and pulse again until it forms into a ball. It says add it all at once. Oh no. Okay, I was really skeptical there for a second, but I think it worked. Ooh, that worked so well. You really never need to make a pie crust by hand anymore, okay? The first day we have to make apple butter. In here, I have apple cider and 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. In here is sugar, a star anise, nutmeg, cloves, allspice, cinnamon, and salt. Essentially, we just put this mixture into this 9 by 13 pan and then cook it on at 300 degrees in the oven for like 4 hours. Cover with the parchment. Oh, don't know what that is. I'm just gonna leave it in there. I've let it cool. So now what I'm supposed to do is put it through a food mill, but I don't have one, so I'm gonna do a strainer. If you can tell, it's really late and I'm really tired. We are going to peel and core the apples and then cut them into 1/4 inch slices. In here is flour, sugar, lemon juice, lemon zest, and a sprinkle of salt. It's gonna go over the apples. Now I have to add 2/3 cup of the apple butter that we made and then some tiny little pieces of butter mixed up, and then we're ready to put it in the crust. I made this crumble mixture this morning when I got up. It's butter, sugar, flour, walnuts, and oats. Now we refrigerate the pie for 15 minutes. It took probably an hour and a half. It doesn't look like the photo. So here's the big reveal. I'm not unhappy with it, I'm just not so thrilled. It needs to cool for 2 hours. I'm just gonna put powdered sugar all over it, and then maybe it'll look more like the photo, because the photo has powdered sugar on it. But I don't know if I did something wrong with the crumble, but hopefully it tastes good. That's all that really matters. It's been 5 minutes since I said I didn't like it, and I changed my mind. I think it's gonna be good. It's been 2 hours. Well, no it hasn't, but it's close enough. It's been like an hour, hour and a half. Ooh. Okay, actually, the crust looks so good. It was cooked so well. I should probably let it rest for a little bit, but check out this crust. Like, that is really good. Let's see the bottom. Ooh! Okay. I literally can't believe the bottom is cooked like that, so. I think if I had waited another 45 minutes, maybe an hour, it would have been a little more solid, but it looks good. Yes, I'm kneeling on the ground, okay. That is really good. Yeah, I don't have any notes. I actually like the top. I think I would do a pie crust top next time, but actually it turned out really good. I'm very happy with that. So, okay, I'm gonna wait to eat the rest until my family comes back. But I would call this a very successful pie. Here's one more. Check it out. Look at that crust! I'm so proud of that. Okay, bye.